First, remove dust from the wall and ensure that the glue is firm after pasting. Second, measure the area of the wall that needs to be installed, and mark the points that need to be cut at the corners with a marker. Third, the installation on the raised surface does not require cutting, and the installation on the concave surface will cause irreversible creases on the surface. So the concave surface needs to be installed by splicing. Fourth, determine the position of the raised surface and find the mark point to cut. First, tear the bottom film of the two corners on one side of the wall. Do not tear all at once. Fifth, paste the two corners of the tear to the fixed position. Press the hand to fix, and slowly pull the bottom film while installing. Sixth, paste the raised surface by pressing to shape it or folding it in advance to ensure that it is smooth. Seventh, assemble the concave and raised wall stickers. Eighth, finally wipe the surface with a towel to make the wall more transparent and bright. The large size is easier to seamlessly splice, and the soft surface of the product can be wrapped at will. Product tear without glue tilde. Follow me for free samples.